Hi, my name is John Sly, and I'm a real estate agent with Edina Realty here in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. And what I'd like to do today is talk to sellers about a tool that I firmly believe in that will help them sell their house faster and for more money at the closing table. When I reach in my toolbox, I pull out open houses. And when I sit down with sellers to talk about what it would take to market their house, and we come across the topic of open houses, they say, do they really work? And I can say, absolutely yes. In 2022, I looked at my listings and where the ultimate buyer came from. And over 50% of the time, they came through the open house that I held at the property. So it's just one of the tools we use, but it's a very important tool. And yes, they definitely work. If you have any questions at all about what it would take to market your property, get it prepared to sell in this marketplace, and you want to talk about other tools that can be used to sell your house, give me a call, contact me through my website, johnsly.com, and I'd be glad to sit down with you and talk about your real estate goals. All right, thanks for listening, and hopefully we'll talk soon.